This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. So today we need to discuss about Selenium project. Selenium project classes. So already in my regular sessions, Selenium contains 4 parts. Those are finished. So whatever I completed in the regular sessions, Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. These 4 are finished in the regular classes. Now what to do is nothing but, sir, I want to take a project classes. Means you generally you don't think that I need to take a one HMS application, or I need to take one bank application, or I need to take a e-commerce. Not like that. So how the project implemented in the real time? Sir, I am telling one procedure. So I take one sample example and I will tell the complete procedure of starting to ending procedure. That's why this is called as a real time implementation of a project in Selenium. So what is the procedure going on there? That process I will tell. The same process for whether it is a e-commerce application, or it is a healthcare domain, or it is a banking domain, or insurance domain. Anywhere it is working. So in this project, sir, what is my agenda? So in regular classes, I explained already Selenium configuration with the Java. These things already you know. With Java already you know. But at the time of project level, same Selenium configuration with Maven we need to discuss. Sir, first of all, what is my agenda? This project agenda is, sir, this is the agenda of my concept. In my course, in these concepts I will tell. The agenda page object model. Sir, I will tell that page object model. Sir, don't think that page object model is not a framework. It is just a design pattern only. I will tell that story also. So in the agenda, first concept, what it is? This is how to create a Maven project. So already we know how to create the Java project. Those things already we know. But now Maven project configuration is required. After that, what is the framework structure we have to follow at the time of project implementation? So generally, 2 types of frameworks are there. In regular sessions already explained. Test driven development framework, BDD, behavior driven development framework. Already those things we know. Sir, present I'm not telling regular classes, only project related. Tested design development framework and behavior driven development framework. 2 frameworks are there. So how we are using those frameworks into the project, I will tell. Okay. So how to configure the drivers? Because there are some drivers are there, Jaco driver, Chrome driver, Internet Explorer driver. Every time we are using those drivers to launch our browsers. Those drivers I want to configure into my program. Sir, log4j. Log4j means, so whatever the actions I am performing, all the user actions, I want to store it into one file. That file is nothing but a log file. For that log file, we need to use this Apache log. Next, POI, Apache POI. Sir, what it is? So regular classes already we discussed about Excel files, how to take the data from the Excel file. So have you observed to take the data from the Excel file, we are using one file, jxl.jar file. Sir, what is the problem here? It is supported only .xls files only. These things already we know. Suppose my company are using .xlsx files, .x files, then jxl.jar file not supported. Then what to do? Apache POI is required. That's why I added the 5th concept, Apache POI for to handle the Excel files. Both Excel files will be supported, XLS extension will be supported with the help of the Apache POI. Still, property files. So what is a property file? So do you know already one concept is there in our regular classes, object repository. If you're maintaining only locators, then we can call it as a property. Same like that. One external file I am taking just like Notepad. I want to save that file with dot properties extension. That file is nothing but a property file. So how to handle these property files? So in olden days, all the test data, locators, Excel file path, everything will be maintained in the property file only. From the property file, we need to download the data and we can access into the application when before the page factory option. So when our page factory came, so what is this page factory? What is this page object model? I will tell one by one here. Okay, wait some time. So after page factory, no property files. Property files are there, but we are not maintaining test data and locators. Test data locators are within the program only. So that is called as a property files. Reusable functions. We know function nothing but a reusable. So once I can generate any number of times I can use. So what is page factory? So main concept listeners. What is the concept of the listener? Listener is nothing but a just like watchdog. Suppose I executed some 100 test cases. Whenever I'm execution, some test cases may be failed, some test cases may be passed. If the test case is passed, capture that screenshot and provide it into the one place. If the test case is failed, capture that screenshot, because every time at the time of automation, test engineer is not responsible to capture all these. I want to automate my work. Those things will be taken care by the listener. So next, what is the retry mechanism? Retry mechanism means, so suppose my test case was failed. What is the reason? Don't think that immediately, yes, oh, there is one bug, that's your test case failed. No, no. If the test case is failed, means there are so many reasons are there. Maybe at the time of execution, net problem will come. Maybe system configuration is very low, or maybe my database service not available. Internet problem, these many problems are there. That's why whenever test case was failed, don't think that is there any bug. No, you have to again rerun the test case. That is called as retry mechanism. I want to again and again executing failure test cases. Sir, second time also I'm running, still failed. Third time running, still failed. Fourth time still failed. Okay, fine. Then we have to check that something wrong, something bug is there. Because sometimes first time if I'm running, error came, second time it will exit successfully because of at the time of execution 2 to 3 seconds or 10 seconds net was disconnected, automatically test case failed. That is the reason if any test case is failed, there are so many reasons are there. Maybe the internet problem, system problem, these many are there. That's why I can go for retry mechanism. Sorry, reports, HTML reports, extend reports, test suite, multiple test case execution. Already we know this concept. How to run with the command prompt, grid2 concept, running test cases through Jenkins. Jenkins is also one of the very, very important concepts. Because of, sir, I want to give a job to Jenkins. I want to trigger a job. Suppose today 12:30, one build is coming. I want to execute that build. Midnight 12:30 means how it is possible to execute? No. Suppose this is the May. Maybe June 1st, early morning 4 o'clock, my US team will be releasing the build. I want to run that. Then I can go give my job to the Jenkins. Next one, GitHub, central repository. Sir, if we know these 18 topics, whenever you can go to any interview, Papa definitely will be selected. Because of, sir, this is one common procedure only. If you go to any interview, they will ask you, sir, what you have experience in that one? You have to tell, so I have experience in the listeners. I want to go to this, that, everything. So this is my agenda. Okay, fine, sir. So in this agenda, what is the first concept? How to create a Maven project. That is the concept today. How to create a Maven project. So if you want to create the Maven project, already we know Selenium configuration with the Java. Sir, what are required into the machine? To write the programs, one editor is required, that is Eclipse. Next, whenever Eclipse is there, Java should be available, any version, 8, 9, 10, anything. In my machine, Java 8 is available there. Okay, fine. Sir, enough. In case of the Selenium configuration with Java, sir, one jar file is required. Selenium server standalone jar file is required. Observe, sir, where you are getting all these means, sir, Eclipse from the internet you can download. Go to the Google, check for Eclipse, you can download. Java also you can download from the Oracle Corporation or in the Google, you can check it, download the Java. Sir, Selenium related information is available in seleniumhq.org. Selenium.dev, this is the site they are provided there. Okay, so in this one, majorly nowadays 3 projects are there: WebDriver, ID, and Grid only. Okay, so generally we need to go to the download. So observe here 3.141.59 jar file. If the time of Selenium configuration Java, we are downloading the jar file present. So at the time of Maven project, it is not required. Don't download it. Eclipse Java is enough into your machine. So observe, in my machine, Eclipse is available. Here is the Eclipse. Already I have a Eclipse editor. Yes, this is the Eclipse. This is the exe file. Fine. Java. Sir, if you install Java, C program files, one folder, Java folder available. In that JRE JDK mandatory. Sir, for the Maven project, JDK is compulsory, sir. If it is a normal Selenium configuration with the Java, if JRE is available, chalta, no problem. But Maven side, JDK development kit. Sir, first of all, Maven is a build management tool. Ant and Maven 2 are there. We are using the Selenium with Maven. Sir, Selenium Eclipse, Java is available. Sir, then how to download the jar file? Previously, Selenium configuration Java, directly I am downloading from this one and I stored into the D drive library. I stored and we are using. Okay, but now don't download directly, sir. Here the concept is, sir, there is one central repository is there. The central repository is the Maven repository. Sir, from this Maven repository to our local repository, we have to get that file. So central repository to local repository means within the machine. In our machine, D drive, I have some folder is there. In that I want to download. That is called a central repository to local repository. Central repository is Maven. Sir, in the Maven, all the jar files dependencies are available there. Whenever I'm using that dependency, automatically it is downloading from central to local. Local nothing but in our workspace. I will tell that. Sir, sometimes what happens is there in the organizations, central repository accessing is not possible. Then, sir, they can download central repository to their local machine. That is a remote repository. Remote repository. So company will take care from the download from central to into one server they are maintaining, that is called as remote repository. In that remote repository, everything is available, all the dependencies, updations, everything. Sir, you can access from remote repository to your local repository. So like that, if you want, sir, this is the normal classes, so directly I can download from central repository, nothing but Maven repository. MVN repository is the central. From there to I can download all my jar files to directly local repository. Sometimes in the organizations, we never access directly central repository. They can download central to one common place that is called as remote repository. From remote repository to local repository you can download. Sir, first of all, how to create Maven project? Observe carefully. Sir, go to the Eclipse, open your Eclipse. Eclipse.exe. Eclipse is opening. Sir, I'm using Oxygen version. Sir, first it is asking one workspace. Sir, what is a workspace? Sir, workspace is nothing but it is one directory to store our development project. Means, sir, whatever place, suppose today I'm writing some programs, tomorrow I will write some program, day after tomorrow, where I can store, that is called as our workspace. Sir, what is our workspace? D drive. Okay, it is online classes, so online workspace. Okay, click on launch button. So in the D folder with this name, one folder will be created. Observe carefully. Go to the D drive, online workspace. See, one folder will be created. That folder is nothing but a one workspace. So go to that. There it is. Yes, it is opening. Yes. So workspace is nothing but a directory where we can store our all the details. Yes, it is open. So now, sir, in this Eclipse, click on the workbench. So now, sir, at the time of normal project creation, already we know how to create a project. To the file, go to the new, click on the Java project, like that we have to create it. 1 second, I am closing all these windows. All these are not required. Enough, 2 windows are enough. Okay. Sir, first create a project. Go to file, go to the new. See, if it is a Java project, I want to go to the project, Java project. But am I creating Java project? No. Don't go for Java project. Go to the file, click on new Maven project. Observe carefully. Okay. Click on this Maven project. So now, sir, use default workspace location or create a sample project, add a project to the working. Don't do anything in this window. Just use default workspace location and click on next. Sir, at the time of creation of Maven project, internet is compulsory. Fastnet is required, sir, because it is downloading everything from the net to the here. Sir, you have to select org.apache Maven archetypes. Maven archetype Quickstart 1.1. Select this one. Sir, which one? Archetype Quickstart 1.1. Select the next. So now, group ID. So what is the group ID and what the artifact ID? Sir, I want to give group ID is ABC. I want to give artifact ID is XYZ, no problem. But here group ID is nothing but generally, sir, just next I will show that at the time of ML repository. So group ID is nothing but normally anything you can give, no problem. Your name you can give, no issues. But we need to give some standards, sir. We have to follow some standards, sir. Sir, already at the time of regular class I shown that one. When I can go to the package name, so com.throwworks.selenium, like that org.s, yes. First organization name, com.mahesh IT. This is my group ID. Next, Artifacted is nothing but your project name. Suppose I am using here Selenium I'm using, or else if I want to use the Facebook, e-commerce, sir, group ID is always first domain name, next to organization name I want to give. Artifacted is nothing but your project. See, Mahesh IT. Artifacted is Selenium. Enough. So names are your wish, but we need to follow some standards. That's when given group ID is there. Form, organization, domain name, Mahesh IT, my organization name. Artifact ID, my project is Selenium. Click on finish. So here it is downloading. Observe in this here. Creating Maven project. Here it is downloading. Until 100% completed, you have to wait. Please don't do anything here. Until 100% it is getting wait, because it is downloading all. Quick start, all those things it is downloading. Once it is downloading 100% completed, then wait. Yes, see, building workspace complete. So now observe carefully here. At the time of project, symbol came. See, M2 Maven project Java Selenium symbol. Observe M2 J Selenium. So whenever you can expand some folders architectures coming, SRC main Java, SRC test Java, JRE system libraries, Maven dependence, SRC target. So sometimes whenever you are created, these folders are not coming, only SRC target coming. Then Maven project not created. Move that. Again you have to create. Whenever you are getting all these 6 SRC main Java, SRC test, system libraries, Maven, SRC target, POM. I will tell one by one. Sir, what is SRC main Java? Suppose in my program, there are tomorrow I'm creating number of classes and all those things. So if any Java classes are there, so I want to create it in the first folder. Where I want to create it, if any Java class, if it is a pure Java class, I want to create it here. Sir, what is SRC test Java? If any TestNG classes are there, all TestNG class I want to create into the SRC test Java. Sir, main Java contains pure Java classes. If any TestNG class is there, sir, already we know about TestNG and all those things. Okay, those are created into the SRC test Java. System libraries, Maven dependencies. Now observe, sir, by default, whenever you created Java Maven project, open Maven dependent. By default, junit.jar file is available. By default, it is coming. So we have to add our Selenium server standalone jar file, and one more thing, TestNG jars we need to add. Sir, what is the pym.xml file? POM means don't think that page object model. Yes, maximum case your POM is nothing but page object model. No, sir, page object model is our project concept. That is a different. But here POM is nothing but a project object model. So what it is? Don't think page object, project object model, because for every project one POM file will be created. What contents I will open it. Project object model for every project. Tomorrow if you have created one more project, yes, one more project. For every project one POM.xml. That's why it is called as a project object model. So open that. By default, which jar is available? JUnit is available. Observe the dependency by default available. Observe there are 5-6 tabs are there. Overview, dependencies, dependency hierarchy. Sir, double click on this pom.xml. Sir, see nothing but see starting I'm creating a com.myshat, Selenium, those things are available. Double click on pom.xml. Observe. Sir, first group ID what I'm doing? Com.myshat, Selenium, jars. Sir, properties, dependency. Sir, by default, JUnit dependency is available. You don't bother about your dependencies. So what is our requirement? I have to add TestNG and I have to add Selenium server. Sir, where you are getting all these dependencies? Just now I'm telling now, I am taking from the central repository. So in the Selenium with the Java, Already I downloaded jar file, I'm adding, but where I'm downloading? Central, because for the class is directly download from central repository. There is no remote repository. Companies sometimes they download it all and keep it as a one server. You can download from there. Central. What is the central repository? Maven repository. So go to here. Go to the Google. So now I am not downloading any jar files, sir. Observe. Directly I will take MVN repository. So this is a central repository. There are all the dependencies, third-party server, sir. It is a everything available there. So first of all, what you can require? Test engine, Selenium server, your wish. Suppose take test engine. Click on search. Because test engine programs I will write now, so test engine jar file required. Sir, test engine. Click on the test engine. Sir, here see 7.1.0. So 7.0 is the beta version. Sir, 6.14.13 is the old version. Sir, your wishes, sir. Except this beta version, you can take 7.1.0 or 6.1413, anything. So how to take this means, just you can click on this one, then observe here dependency came directly. See, so how they are given group ID, ORG, their domain name, TestNG, their organization name, their project name is TestNG, the version is 6.143. That is the dependency. Sir, simple. Copy this dependency. Go to here. Sir, after dependency here, see. After dependencies, observe. Dependencies are available. JUnit available. TestNG I am added dependency. Just I am adding the dependency to my program. After that, what you can require, sir, observe here carefully. Maven dependency only it is available. Sir, even you are adding not getting means, sir, once you need to click on save button, then it is downloading from the server. Observe carefully. Okay. Just I am clicking on the save. Then see here, workspace is building. So it is automatically downloading from central to local repository. Sir, what is local repository? Our workspace folder. Inside now observe 100% done, sir. Sir, after clicking on save button, immediately don't check that. Once it is closing, then we have to check. Expand the Maven dependencies. Observe carefully. Yes, TestNG available there. Now, what I can require? Selenium server. What to do? Go to the central repository, Maven repository. Type Selenium server. Click on search. Sir, any version you wish. Sir, Selenium server standard. Click on the third one. Some guys directly first one Selenium server they are taking. No, Selenium standalone, sir. Anything okay? One second. They changed it. Go to Selenium server. Yes. So don't go for fourth version. That is the alpha. So 3.141.59. Click on that. Yes. See the dependency. org.selenium HQ Selenium service the project. So copy this dependency. After this TestNG dependency, you can paste here. So 3 dependencies came, but you have to save. Observe building workspace. It is downloading all. So wait some time. Observe Selenium server available. So automatically central to local repository came. So which is the responsible, sir? POM.xml. Project object model. By default, JUnit is available. You have to download, sir. Sometimes here 3.141.9 available. So suppose I am using the old browsers. If you want to change the version, your wishes are you can change it. Suppose observe, I want to 2.53.1 I can require. No issues. You just to save. Sir, building workspace is done. Whenever it is completed, wait just 2 to 3 minutes. Yes. Now expand. Observe which one came. Selenium server 2.53.1. So your wish, not only 3, 3.2, 3.4, any version your wish. Sir, sometimes, sir, what is the current version which is available? I don't know. I want to add the whatever the current present version, that one I can require. I don't know the numbers, then no problem. Remove all these, give latest, click on save. So then I don't bother about the version, that is a 2.53 na, 3.4, 3.140, I don't know. What is the current version? What is the latest? Expand, check this. See, 4.00 alpha. Is it true? Yes. Go to here. What is the latest? 4.00. Here also go to the back page. What is the latest? 4.00. But highly not recommended latest versions. Take the 3.141 or any lower also, no problem. Don't take current side. So if you know the version, give the version like this. If you don't know present required, give the latest. So that is how to create a Maven project. First, download the Eclipse. So something goes wrong, error. See, error came. Oh, double dots. That's the. So if red mark is there, Maven project not created successfully. That is also remember. Main thing, say, if the red mark gone, then only your project is fine. So please think that whenever you are writing this, red marks, colon marks, never getting. So now Eclipse downloaded, Java available, dependencies are available. Now Maven project is ready. No. Is it running or not running? Just you have to check that. So right click on your project name. Go to the Maven. One second, sir. Right click on your pom.xml file. Here, right click. One second. Because I need to run this one, sir. Once it is done or not done, oh, sorry. I'm clicking on right click. Right click on pym file. Yes. Go to the Maven. Run as. Sir, first you have to Maven clean, sir. Okay. Maven clean. So it is the, because in previously if any properly not configured, all the files will be cleaned. Observe in the control panel, sorry, in the console we are getting the result. Yes, sir, Maven cleaning is okay, fine, build success. But observe, right click on your pym file, run as Maven install. If you are running here, then your Maven project is done. Sometimes you will get some errors also. Observe carefully. Whenever you're getting those errors, what to do, I will tell. Observe, scanning for the projects. Sir, build failure. See the console. Build was failed. Compilation error. What it is? We have to check that. Go to the here, see this one. No compiler is provided in this environment. Perhaps you are running on a JRE rather than JDK. Sir, what the did mistake means? Sir, Maven means what I'm telling. Maven is a build management tool. JDK, you have to run in the JDK environment, Java Development Kit, but it is running on JRE. Sir, how to change means? Sir, go to the Windows, go to the preferences. Here, one second. Maven install updates Java. Sir, under Java, installed JREs. Observe carefully. Okay. Sir, under Java folder, double click on installed JRE. Sir, which is running? JRE. So where we have to run? Instead of JRE, you can run JDK. How to add JDK? Click on add button. Take that JDK. So every machine, Java is available C program files. Now observe. Click on add button. Yes. Click on next. Sir, take the directory JRE home. So in every machine, my computer C drive. In this program files, Java, take JDK. Click on OK. Observe. Finish. Sir, JDK is added. Sir, some guys what they are doing mistake is, sir, whenever it is coming, simply they are clicking apply and close. They are running. No. Sir, you are added, but you are not selected that JDK. Remember, which is selected JRE only. So you have to select the JDK, then click on apply and close. Now JDK you are selected. What to do? Same process. Right click on PYM file. Go to the run as Maven clean. Build success. Next, right click on the PYM file. Maven install. Now see everything will be downloading successfully executed. Sir, this is the way how to create a Maven project. So now project is ready. jar file is ready. Exchange is available. Next procedure, page object model. First of all, what is a page? What is object? What is model? Why they are given that name? So page object model is not a framework. It is just one design pattern only. So still running, we have to wait. Yes, build success. So whenever build success came, your job will become simplified. Maven project is ready. 26/5/2020, 11:59. Project is ready, sir. So this is the way how to create a Maven project of Ascendum. Eclipse, Java, download all the dependencies. Next concept is, first of all, what is this page object model? Why they are given this name, page object model? What is the page by page? What is the object? Why this given that name? Sir, already we know how to log into some applications with the normal program. I will tell how to run the same program with the page object model. At that time, packages, classes, all are same, but the concept is different, sir. I will tell this story in our next session, page object model. Sir, all my project videos are available there. Sir, this is the project agenda concept. All videos are available. Sir, if Selenium, Selenium plus project classes, the cost just 3,000. Sir, only project classes require some guys because of already they took the normal classes. That is just 2,000. If all required, manual, Selenium, project classes. Sir, only pre-recorded videos I can provided. Selenium plus project class is 3000. If only project class is 2000, manual plus Selenium project classes are 5000. If you want to live sessions, means manual plus Selenium plus project classes. 3, I will give live classes, everyday session, everyday recording, those things. Fees is 8000. If you go to the market, everyone they're charging 12,000, 15,000, 20,000. But I'm taking just 8,000 all. No, sir, only you can provide record dates. Then that is enough for us. Means that this is the cost. If anyone required, please ping me in the, my number is there in that. Okay, sir. My site, this is Mahesh IT. If you want anybody videos also in this site, I have provided a cost and everything. Go to the Mahesh IT site. If you want required online videos are available. Go to that tab and you can give your request, your name, which technology you can require. Okay, mobile number, and automatically I will give. If you want to pay the money directly here, you can scan code is there. You can scan, send the money, give that screenshot. I will give the technology wise rates also. Python, Angular, UI, Selenium, all I can provide it there, sir. Okay, this is the cost. Sir, our YouTube channel is also there, Mahesh IT. Please register in that one for the latest updates. If any new videos are there, new concepts, I will upload it. Okay, fine. So this is the cost of our projects.